my dear brother and sister of our beloved country, India, my dear father and mother of Bharatvarsh, my dear lovely children of our beloved country, India, that is Bharatvarsh. Once again, I wish you, all of you, for a happy, prosperous, peaceful and successful life in this new year of new century. My dear friend, and also once again I request all of you, the 1.5 billion plus people of our beloved country India, to participate in a second movement of independence with a mission and vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear friend, as you know, our vision 2047 have 10 commandments. First, unity and integrity. Second, agriculture and industry. Third, science and technology. Fourth, education and health. Fifth, peace and tranquility. Sixth, development and management. Seventh, strategy and space. Eighth, energy and economy. Ninth, ecology and environment. And 10th, heritage and happiness. You know, my dear friend, we must sing a song for unity and integrity of our country, the unity among diversity in our country, for the benefit of people, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of our family, and also for the benefit of our country, and even for the benefit of the mankind. My dear friend, when we unite and when we integrate, then we will achieve the goal of Vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear brother and sister, agriculture is most valuable culture in our country. You know, India's soul resides in villages where the farmers, the young people work for productivity of cereals, Rabi and Kharif, the production of vegetables, the production of millets for food security, for feeding our people, for a self-reliance in food security. You know, after independence, with the Green Revolution, we have achieved the goal of self-reliance in agriculture and food processing, for a food security, for water security, for human resource security, for the benefit of our people of India. My dear friend, as agriculture is very important in our life, we are moving towards a golden era of organic farming, the natural farming, the integrated farming, per acre production of cereals and vegetables, along with fruits and other items for food security in our country with a mission and vision 2047. As agriculture is important, then industry is also very important. The ecosystem of industrial growth is very important in our country to achieve the goal of Vision 2047. From village industry to cities, MSME and mega industries in mega cities in our country with ease of business, ease of living, ease of doing work, for generation of employment, for eradication of poverty, for achieving the goal of sustainable development goal, for the benefit of family, for the benefit of society, and also for the benefit of country. My dear friend, the time has to come to develop infrastructure in an industrial area, a pollution-free industry with Make in India, with the startups, with the skill development, and also with scientific development, both in agriculture and industry, for the benefit of society and for the benefit of our country, with a mission and vision 2047. My dear friend, science and technology is also very, very important to achieve the goal of a developed nation. After independence, we have achieved the goal of successful scientific and technological era with engineering capacity, with technical new capacity like modern technology, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, nanotechnology, information and communication technology. From villages to mega cities and cities in our country to achieve the goal of Vision 2047. So, science and technology is very important. We must develop an ecosystem to create development and management or research and development in the various fields of science and technology with a mission and vision 2047. My dear brother and sister, health and education is also very powerful pillar to achieve the goal of Vision 2047. When we are healthy, then we are wealthy, with peace of mind, with peace of body, and with peace of soul. So, health is very important, and healthy people are very important for a successful destination with a greater mission and vision 2047. We must develop an infrastructure in health sector with manufacturing of medicines, with creating infrastructure from villages to cities and mega cities for human resources, for number of greater doctors and paramedicals, along with equipments like ICU and ventilation facilities, both in hospitals and All India Institute of Medical Science to sustain the healthy and wealthy nature of our people in our society and also in our country. My dear friend, as health is important in our life, then education is also very important in our life. The knowledge-based society, the skill development forum, the schools, colleges and universities, the research and developments with quality and value-based education in IITs, in IIMs, in AIIMS, in other universities and colleges, schools, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of family, for the benefit of our sons and children, daughters, to create an ecosystem of knowledge-based society, knowledge hub, to workable, skilled human resources for employment generation, for eradication of poverty, for achieving the sustainable development goal, and also for achieving the mission and vision 2047. My dear friend, as education and health are very important in our life, then peace and tranquility in our life is also very important to achieve the goal of a developed status of nation along with 1.5 billion plus people of our beloved country India. My dear friend, when we have peace in our mind, peace in our body, peace in our intellect, spirit and even soul, then we create an ecosystem to maintain, to decide peace and harmony in our family, in our society, in our country and even in the whole world. This is not era of war, but era of peace. This is not era of confrontation, but era of dialogue. Dialogue with people, dialogue with society, dialogue with family members, and dialogue with 1.5 billion plus people for sing a song with a mission and vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant and transformed India. My dear friend, development and management are also very valuable points in our life to sustain the growth of sustainable and inclusive development along with sustainable and inclusive management. We must develop an infrastructure in various fields of development, the sustainable development with greater management to connect the people of India. The infrastructure in roadways, waterways, airways, even e-ways, the infrastructure in telecom center, through fiber security from villages to mega cities, the infrastructure with scientific adventure, with nano and artificial science, the infrastructure of building sector, road sector, and even space sector for the benefit of society, for the benefit of country. We must also develop an ecosystem for greater management to combat the natural disaster management, natural disaster risk management, with the skill development of human resources, a vast human resources, with scientific and technological temperament, to combat climate change, to combat global warming, to combat global cooling, and also to combat natural and man-made disaster like earthquake, cyclone, fire, wind, heat and cold wave, lightning, floods and droughts, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of family, and also for the benefit of country. My dear friend, we the people of India must work for sustainable and inclusive development along with greater management skill for the benefit of society as well as benefit of the country. My dear friend, when UNO promulgated the Sustainable Development Goal after Millennium Development Goal for whole world, we must work and sweat for the benefit of society and benefit of country to achieve the sustainable goal by 2030 with a mission and vision 2047. My dear friend, a strategy is very important. Strategy sector and the space sector are also very important to achieve the goal of developed nation. With greater and scientific strategy, we must develop an infrastructure to combat external and internal disturbances like terrorism, Naxalism, like disturbances of people, among societies, in the name of caste, creed, religion, reason, for disturb our unity and integral part of our country. With greater strategy, we must develop an ecosystem to save our border areas, to save Himalayan region, to save coastal areas with Navy, Army and Air Force peoples, with defense equipments and also with a greater manpower, human resource, the 1.5 billion plus people, a stamina, the mindset for the benefit of country. My dear friend, with greater strategy to implement the projects, mega projects of states and central government with the help of Niti Aayog, we must develop an ecosystem with a greater strategy, with scientific strategy to save our people of our country, to save our society and also to save our family and even to save the mankind in the world. My dear friend, as strategy sector is important, then space sector is also very important. Nowadays, we achieve the goal of great projects like Chandrayaan, Suryayaan, Samudrayaan. Our target to establish Indian space stations. Our target to hoisting the national flag on the surface of moon. Our target to generate research and development. About the various planets in the solar system. Our target, research and development, to know how about sun with the help of 11 points, and also our targets to achieve the goal of a man mission on the surface of moon, on the surface of various planets. For the benefit of society and country, with the mission and vision 2047. My dear friend, energy and economy are also very important in our life to achieve the goal of vision 2047. In the energy sector, after independence, we have a greater achievement with fuel, fertilizer and foods in various fields of energy, the field of hydrogen, the field of clean and green energy, the field of conventional and non-conventional energy. My dear friend, with the target of net zero emission of carbon, we must develop an infrastructure in energy sector, particularly in non-conventional energy sector like solar energy, wind energy, atomic energy, nuclear energy, hydrogen energy, water energy, for the benefit of society, to achieve the goal of sustainable development and inclusive management. My dear friend, as energy is very important to achieve the goal of developing status in the future, the economy is very important in our life, in our country life. When we develop an infrastructure with an ecosystem of greater GDP, about 10 to 20% per annum GDP growth, along with greater per capita income, like 1 to 20 lakhs per capita per annum in our country, to achieve the goal of greater GDP with greater economical growth and management for the benefit of society and for the benefit of country. My dear friend, as you know, we are moving towards a greater economical growth with the status of fifth economy in the world. Now our target is third economy in the world, and also our mission and vision is the first economy with 10 to 20 or $35 trillion economy by 2047 in the world, to achieve the goal of mission and vision 2047 for a developed superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. And also to lead the nation, to lead the society, and to lead the world, to lead the continent Asia for the peace and tranquility, for the sustainable and inclusive development, and also for the unity and integrity of 1.5 billion plus people, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of family, and for the benefit of India. My dear friend, ecology and environment are also very important in our life. We must conserve, protect, and preserve our ecological and environmental sector to save, to sustain the planet Earth, Mother Earth. For this, in a missionary mode, reforestation must be started. To develop our coastal area with mangroves, with natural habitation, to save our coastal areas, to save our villages and cities, and also to save from climate change activities by combating the global warming, the carbon emission under 1.5 degree temperature, to combating El Nino effects for food security, water security, Chitijal Pavak Gagan Samira, air security, for pollution free soils, pollution free air, water, space, and sun rays. My dear friend, we must develop an ecosystem to save our ecology and environment through working greater development and management with balance between development and environment, with balance between development and ecology, for the benefit of wildlife, for the benefit of biodiversity, for the benefit of not only humankind but also for animals, plants, and flora and fauna, to save planet Earth, Mother Earth, to save our children, to save our society, to save our family, and also to save our country. My dear friend, ecology and environment are very, very important in our life. My dear friend, heritage and happiness are most powerful feature in our life to achieve the goal of Vision 2047. We must conserve, we must protect, we must develop, we must preserve our natural heritage, our architectural heritage, our cultural heritage, our social and economical heritage. You know, our glorious past of our culture and civilization create an ecosystem to sustain our life in this 21st century with a greater present structure in our family and society and even in country. So We must conserve, preserve and protect both tangible and intangible heritage. The heritage of our constitution, the heritage of our joint family, the heritage of our society, the heritage of our villages and cities, the heritage of our culture and civilization. For peace and harmony in our families, society and country, and also for the benefit of mankind. My dear friend, we must live together, we must work together, we must decide together, we must eat together, we must discuss together for a greater life, for a happy life. So, happiness index is very important in our mind, body and soul, intellect, spirit, for the benefit of our family, for the benefit of society, for the benefit of our country, and also for the benefit of all mankind in the world. My dear friend, when we happy with 1.5 billion plus people, when we happy with peace of mind, peace of body and peace of soul in our family, in our society, in our country, and even in the world, then we will achieve the goal of Mission Vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. With these 10 commandments of our Vision 2047, my dear friend, once again, I invite and welcome you in this second movement of our independence with a mission and Vision 2047 for a developed, superpowered, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. You know, on the occasion of 15th of August 2047, the Independence Day of our country, India, when we will hoist our national flag, Tiranga, with chanting Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya Hai, Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, then we will achieve the goal of Mission and Vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear friend, we will lead the society and nation, we will lead the continent Asia, we will lead the whole world with greater mission and Vision 2047 for a developed, superpower, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. Nowadays, I also request all of you, the 1.5 billion plus people of our beloved country, for voting right in our democratic and sovereign country. The parliamentary election is going on. We must vote for unity and integrity of India. We must vote for agriculture and industry in India. We must vote for science and technology in India. We must vote for health and education in India. We must vote peace and tranquility in India. We must vote development and management in India. We must vote for strategy and space, research and development in India. We must vote energy and economy in India. We must vote for ecology and environment in India. And also we must vote heritage and happiness index in India. My dear friend, once again I realize my vision 2047, and once again I welcome all of you, my brother and sister, my mother and father, and my beloved lovely children, to participate in the second movement of independence with a mission and vision, with great zeal and enthusiasm for a developed, superpowered, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. My dear friend, this is our mission, this is our vision. Welcome, welcome, welcome at the mission and vision 2047 for a developed, superpowered, self-reliant, transformed and peaceful India. सबके हृदय में सर्वदा संवेदना का दाह हो, हमको तुम्हारी चाह हो, तुमको हमारी चाह। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। जय भारतवर्ष, जय हम भारत के लोग, जय भारतवर्ष। जय जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे।